In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use CRM software to track client conversations in just 3 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a sales professional, using CRM software effectively is essential to staying organized and keeping track of client interactions. So here's the deal. Many CRM platforms let you log, track, and analyze client conversations. And the good news is that I've tested the most popular ones to find the one that truly stands out. Stick with me until the end, and I'll share an exclusive free trial link that you can use to follow along. Now, first things first, tracking client conversations begins with logging every interaction. You can either do this manually or set up automatic logging, depending on the software. Make sure every email, call, and meeting is recorded. Most CRM tools let you add notes to each entry, so you can keep detailed information about your clients right at your fingertips. Next, let's talk about tagging. Tags are a great way to categorize your conversations. For example, you can tag clients by interest, stage in the sales process, or any specific details that are important. By doing this, you'll quickly be able to filter your clients based on those categories, making it easy to follow up later. Another important feature is activity tracking. Many CRMs allow you to see a timeline of all client interactions, which is useful for reviewing the history of a conversation. If a client asks about a specific topic you discussed months ago, you'll be able to access that conversation with just a few clicks. Don't forget reminders and follow-ups. CRM software often includes scheduling tools that send you reminders to follow up with clients. These reminders can be set based on specific dates or after a certain period of time has passed since your last conversation. This helps you stay on top of your leads without missing any important follow-ups. Now let's look at how to analyze those conversations. Most CRMs will give you insights on trends like how often clients respond or how long it takes to close a deal. These analytics are crucial for improving your communication strategies and ensuring you're spending time on the right clients. To wrap things up, remember that the key takeaway here is using CRM software to track client conversations allows you to stay organized, save time, and improve your follow-ups. By logging every interaction, categorizing them with tags, using activity tracking, and setting reminders, you can make sure no conversation slips through the cracks. As a final reminder, make sure you take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, and it's the perfect way to start tracking your client conversations. Don't wait. Grab your free trial now and start using CRM software to its fullest potential.